desk and furniture pieces. And when you want to do something quick, we got this really nice legs. And you assemble them like this. We're gonna try them in a piece of furniture for a desk for a kid. Go like that. Put the other one together, locks in like this. And this is for the shipping. That's the reason they make it like this. And we're gonna start screwing it to the table.
Also included, they give you the Allen wrench, screws, so you could tie them up and they won't fall. So we're gonna go ahead and tie them up first with the small screws included with it. Now this is great for shipping. You don't have to put it together, but when you're doing custom jobs, like in this wood shop here, we're gonna set it up. So let's go ahead and do that.
Small desk for small areas. This is a custom made out of solid oak. And as you see, it's really nice. Take it apart, ship it, or fold it and wrap it, send it to your customers, or they want to pick it up. And we're gonna stand it up to get on the floor so you guys can see how it looks. See how beautiful custom is.
All right, here's the actual legs completed. Look how beautiful this, the solid oak top looks on the beautiful legs. This is perfect for as a coffee table. You can set it up. And right now we are actually on Jimmy's wood shop right now, and he's a builder here, a custom builder. This makes it a lot easier for him to actually build stuff like this. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.